How to fix the voice chat not showing up on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you on how to resolve the issues of voice chat not appearing on Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, go to roblox.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, click on the More from the side menu and then select Settings option. Go to Privacy and then after go to Privacy and Content Maturity. Under the communication settings, find voice chat and then toggle the switch on. If it's already enabled, try turning it off and then back on. If you do not see the voice chat option, it's possible that you haven't enabled it or you were using a trial version. Now, if the voice chat is still missing, go to Account Info option. If you have activated voice chat by verifying your phone number, ensure that it is still verified. If you verified your identity, check that your birthday is correct. You can also try adding your phone number to regain access to voice chat if you're in a supported region. Next, go to Privacy and Content Maturity again, then go to Content Maturity Settings. It should be set it to at least moderate. Return to the Settings menu and select Communication. Then access the Experience Chat option and set it to Everyone. Play a game again to see if the voice chat is now available. If you still do not see the voice chat, try logging out and back in or close and reopen the application. If the issue still persists, completely close the Roblox and open the Start menu. Search for Roblox, open the options in the right, and if you're using Windows 10, select Roblox and select Uninstall. Once the Roblox is completely uninstalled from your device, reinstall it using the official Roblox website and try to play a game which will prompt you to download the Roblox installer. And after reinstalling, launch Roblox and the voice chat issue should now be resolved. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.